Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the puzzle aim assist in God of War Ragnarök on the PS5. First, using the arrow buttons, navigate to settings, select using the X button in controller, navigate to gameplay with the arrow buttons and select with the X button. Then turn on, if you don't have it turned on, turn on the aim assist to classic or classic plus, and then turn on the puzzle aim assist. This will be helpful in the mini games in the game itself. Thanks for watching, and if you consider the video helpful, leave a like, a subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks.